Is comfort food calling your name today? Cook up our Alton Brown-inspired shepherd pie, and your craving for comfort food will be calling more often. Alton Brown's rendition of shepherd pie features a delectable ground lamb filling made with onion, carrots, corn, peas, and garlic. The mouth-watering meat filling is deliciously topped with a rich recipe of mashed potatoes. We've added shredded cheddar cheese to the mix to give the mashed potatoes an extra layer of lip-licking, soul-satisfying goodness. Ready to cook? Let's start with the mashed potatoes. Boil diced russet potatoes until soft but not mushy. While the potatoes are cooking, heat half and half and the butter in a small saucepan over low heat until the butter is melted. Drain the fork tender potato into a colander, then transfer back to the pot. Quickly add the half and half mixture, salt, and pepper. Mash the ingredients together until smooth. Mash in the cheese and egg yolk until well combined. Set aside and keep the potatoes warm until you've got the lamb filling ready. Save yourself some time and start cooking the meat mixture while your potatoes are boiling in the pot. Onions, carrot, and garlic lend their tantalizing flavors to the ground lamb. Sauté the trio until soft and then add the lamb, cooking it until browned. Pour off some of the fat, then sprinkle the lamb mixture with flour. This will thicken the filling as it bakes in the oven. Add the tomato paste, chicken broth, Worcestershire, rosemary, and thyme. These ingredients enrich the meat-filling flavors, giving it umami quality. Stir in the corn and peas and get your filling to the baking dish. Time to top it off. The key to a perfect shepherd's pie is completely covering the meat filling with the mashed potatoes. You don't want the lamb filling oozing up and over the topping. Start by dolloping mashed potatoes around the perimeter of the baking dish, then working your way into the center. Use a spatula to smooth the mashed potatoes over. Bake this bounty of meat and potato goodness for 25 minutes or until the topping is lightly browned. Let the shepherd's pie rest for 15 minutes, then dig right in until your craving for comfort food has been fully fed.